How to fix Windows Subsystem for Android and install any APK. Well, if you're lucky like me, then chances are that your device will not support Android Subsystem for Windows at the first try. But that doesn't mean that there aren't ways to get it working, and install your favorite apps on your Windows machine. All the links for download, and all the commands for PowerShell and command prompt, presented in the video, you can find them in the description from where you can just simply copy and paste. But first, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon, so you won't miss any of my future videos. Go to search, and type for turn Windows features on and off, or just Windows features. When opened, check the virtual machine platform box, and click OK to install it. You may need to restart the OS to apply the change. Next, you need to change your device's region. At the moment, this feature is only available to users in the US. Therefore, your device's region needs to be set to the US as well. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Language and Region, and select the United States from the drop-down menu in front of Country or Region. Next, open your browser and go to this store link generator. Here, from the description of this video, copy this link and paste it in the search box, and then select Slow from the drop-down box. Scroll down the list and download the file, Microsoft Corporation 2, Windows Subsystem for Android, blah blah blah, MSIX bundle. Is usually the largest file from the list, having over 1 gig in size. For some reason, I could not download this on Chrome. So I repeated the process on Microsoft Edge. And it worked, but not from the first try. When the first download failed, I copied the download link and pasted it directly in the browser search bar. Next, open PowerShell as administrator. And copy the following command from the description. Remember to replace the user with your username, and, if necessary, correct the package name and its path according to your download location. Now, Windows Subsystem for Android is successfully installed on your device, and available from the Start menu, along with the Amazon Store. For Amazon Store, you need to create an US account to match with your device's new region. Open Windows Subsystem for Android and enable developer mode. This will be helpful later, when you want to sideload apps in Windows. For the moment, you can officially install apps only from the Amazon Store. However, the problem is that the list of available apps is very small. There are about 50 apps in the store, from where you can choose. Luckily, you can sideload as many apps as you want, with something called Android SDK Platform Tool. In your browser, search for SDK Platform Tool, and click on the page from developerandroid.com. Click on the Windows version, accept the agreement, and when the download is complete, extract the tool from the archive. Now, go to your C drive, and create a new folder. Name this folder simply, ADB. Inside, copy and paste the Platform Tools folder extracted earlier. Open the Platform Tools folder, and in the path bar, type CMD, press Enter, and a command prompt window will open. Next, open Windows Subsystem for Android, and copy the IP address. Now, in the command prompt, type ADB, connect, paste the IP address and press Enter. Once connected, you can start downloading your favorite apps. However, keep in mind that Windows Subsystem for Android is still a work in progress, and may have compatibility issues. Some apps may fail to start, crash, or work unpredictable. Also, be careful from where you download your apps. You should use trusted sources like APK Pure, or APK Mirror. One particular app that I would like to test on laptop, is Pixel Lab. I use this app on my phone to make all the thumbnails for my channel, and having it working on the laptop, would make things much easier. To install the app, Right-click on the APK file, select Copy as Path, go to the command window and type ADB, install, and paste the APK's location. Success! That's all you have to do to install apps on your Windows machine.